How to fix Snapchat sound not working. So if you want to fix your Snapchat sound that is not working, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you've opened, you can simply go for the upper left, which has that profile icon, and then go for the upper right, which has settings icon. Scroll down and tap on I need help. And under I need help, it will take you to the Snapchat support page. So from here, you can simply go for contact us again, which is on the bottom, and from here you can submit a request. So you need to simply choose an option. You can choose I found a bug, and then scroll down and then tap on yes, and from here you can choose my Snapchat is crashing, or you can choose the camera, changing the username, or you can simply choose the reason that you are facing a problem with. So I'll be choosing the first option, which is Snapchat is crashing, and then you can scroll down, and here you need to go for when I open the application, and here it will take you to submit a request page. Scroll down and here you will have that. So you need to enter your username, and then you need to enter your device name, like your mobile phone's brand, model, or model series. And then when did you start having this issue? You need to enter the date in the form of month, date, and then year. And once you've done, you can also upload some attachments. Tap on choose file, and then you can add some attachments like some screenshots and all that. And then under description, you need to enter that my Snapchat sound is not working. I'm not being able to hear sound on Snapchat. Please help me with that. You can simply enter the description and then tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, Snapchat will take action on that, and it might help you with your issue. So that's it. That's how you fix your Snapchat sound not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.